Are you frustrated with sending out endless job applications and hearing nothing back? Well, here's a game changing secret. The one size fits all resume approach is holding you back. But don't worry, I have discovered an AI powered approach that will transform your job search process. So, I've created this AI workflow where, with just one single click on the job description itself, can create a perfectly tailored version of your standard resume that will get you through the application tracking systems of these companies. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to be using this AI powered tool, which is called Gumloop. So Gumloop is that tool that enables us to automate all sorts of workflows. And you simply need to sign up by clicking on Get Started, sign up, sign in, click on Get Started. This is the main page, the hub. And here you can start building workflows. You can start automating whatever workflow that you might have by clicking on this New Flow button. When you click on New Flow, this sort of canvas opens up. They have recently updated the UI and you can change the name of the workbook. The main structure is similar to Google Sheets. So you can simply provide a name. This is, let's say, sample flow. This is the name of my workbook. Now in a workbook, I can have multiple flows. So one of the flow is listed here. So this one is already created for you. If you want to add new flows, you can do that by clicking on this new subflow button. So these are like sheets in Google Spreadsheet or Excel. The main functional unit in Gumloop is the node library. They have a bunch of different operations, integrations that they support. And the one that we are going to be using today is the PDF reader node, because all of us have some sort of standard resume. So you must be a data analyst or marketing analyst, software engineer, project manager, whatever it is. You must have a standard resume because you already know, what sort of experience you've had, what kind of skill sets you have. So based on that, we'll be using this PDF reader, which is going to read your PDF. Then we're going to use this node, which is called Ask AI. Now, how will we leverage AI, the large language models, to turn our standard resume into a perfectly tailored version? This is the node that is going to play a vital role. All right. Now, for this example, I have picked two resumes. This one is a bad, poorly formatted resume. This person has got skills. They have some work experience, projects, all of those things, but it is poorly formatted and requires a lot of rephrasing. Here's how this is going to work. So I have this workflow already built out. The key nodes that I'm using here is the PDF reader, the browser extension input. So while I'm browsing these job descriptions, so I have one job description of senior associate data analyst at cashkaro.com, another one senior data analyst at Uber. So I want to trigger the process of tailoring my resume right from the job description itself. I'm also an analyst. I want to tailor my resume as per these requirements. So all I'm going to do is click on this Gumloop icon, the Chrome extension, and click on play to start tailoring my resume. So that's how simple it is. And within the workflow, I am over here, resume tailor. This is already built out. The key nodes that I'm using is the PDF reader. I have already uploaded my resume here. So pick a file to upload. You can upload your file. You can select the file that you want to use. So standard domain, this is going to be a one-time thing. Most of you would have one single resume that you want to tailor. From here, I have advanced PDF reading option turned on because this is going to be helpful for the large language model to understand it better. So my resume content is going to come from the PDF reader. The job description details are going to come from the browser extension input. So this is the key node because of which I'm able to see these workflows listed within my Chrome extension interface. So browser extension input is present in resume tailor flow, and that is why you see it listed here. Great. So the job description, I am scraping that page from the extension, and the content of the job description is going to my combined text node. This combined text node is a text manipulation node. It basically concatenates the two strings. So the resume content is coming into input 1. The job description is coming into input 2. You can change the number of inputs. If you want input 3, 4, 5, you can add as many inputs as you want. Currently, I need only two. One is job description and another one is my resume. And that is what I have written over here. This is my current resume content, which is coming in input 1. So you can simply drag and drop. This is the job description of the role I'm interested in. Drag and drop. Input 2, input 3, we don't need. And then this combined text is going to go into the context. So that's it. I'm going to remove my LinkedIn profile link. That's not required. So combined text is going to go into the context. And this is the Ask AI node where the magic is happening. I have specified every single thing that I want in the tailored version. So I've crafted this prompt very carefully. Generate professional one-page compelling resume tailored to the provided job description, maximizing interview chances. And then I've also followed the guidelines from Harvard Business Review Guide on how to create compelling resume, how it should be formatted, the type of sections you should have, the way you should showcase your experience, the impact, the metrics, all of those important things. So every single detail is mentioned in this prompt, and then it simply returns this markdown formatted tailored resume, which is to be written in a PDF file. That's it. That is going into another node, which is called generate file. So this generate file is going to create a PDF. I can create multiple types of files. The one that we need is a PDF file because that's what you usually upload while applying for jobs. Write as markdown because we are asking for markdown formatted resume from the AI node. Yes. Output link. Yes. It is going to give you a downloadable link at the end. So all I need to do now from any job description, click on the Gumloop Chrome extension, click on resume tailor. So tailor my resume for this job description. That's it. So this sort of unformatted, pretty bare bones resume is going to go into this workflow and it'll tailor it for me as per this job description. Let's see what the results look like. If you want to see this workflow in action while it is running, you can click on this icon over here and you will see the flow here. So PDF reader success, browser extension input success, combined text. If you look at the output of each one of these, you get the resume content from here, you get the job description details from here, every single thing, and then you combine it in the combined text node. Ask AI node is currently in execution mode. And finally, we'll get the link through the generate file node. All right, so we have the generate file link with us. So I have professional summary data analyst over 1.5 years of experience. And this person has got the skills, but the formatting and all of those other things are not there. So Python, Tableau, data analytics, A/B testing, all of those things were there. And if you look at the job description, the must-have skills, advanced Excel expertise in Excel, including pivot tables, VLOOKUPs, and formulas. Great. And this person has just mentioned advanced Excel, but VLOOKUP and all of those things are not there. Let's see if we have them in the tailored resume. So look at this: data analysis, Python, advanced Excel. So they have added pivot tables and VLOOKUPs because it was there in the job description. And while this person has got the skills, the keywords were not there. So in order to get the ATS, application tracking system, score high, so that like more and more keyword matching happens, this workflow works great. Further, if you want to see whether your resume is a good fit for the job description or not, I've also created a similar flow, which is resume evaluation. In the evaluation, the only difference is the prompt that I have specified. So in the prompt, I have specified the evaluation criteria, the keyword, skills, relevance. So it should not happen that the person is an analyst and is applying for a product manager role. So evaluation criteria is detailed out in the Ask AI node, and it basically gives you a score out of 5, telling you how good of a fit you are for that job description. And you can do the same thing here as well. Resume evaluation. Click the play button, resume evaluation. And currently in the resume evaluation, if you see the resume that's put in, it's example.pdf, which is the same, this particular resume only. Let's see the kind of score this gets. Great. So look at the output. The final score will be at the top. Rating is 3 stars. Okay, 3 is not that great. Overall star rating is 3. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload tailored resume and I'm going to evaluate it for this particular job description. So here, first of all, I'll change the file. So this is test eval1. This is the file that I want to evaluate on this job description. Gumloop, resume evaluation. Play this. So we've got the result here, as you can see. And when you look at the evaluation, the overall star rating has turned out to be 4.5 out of 5. Now, obviously, you'll have to take this with a grain of salt because large language models cannot look at the structure and the layout of your resume. But depending upon how the ATS tracks your resume, how it screens it, how it looks for all the keywords and the experience, it's basically matching on all of those qualities. And as per the criteria, we have got a way better rating this time for our tailored resume. So that's it. This is how you can use such AI powered workflows, such AI powered tools like Gumloop, where you can automate all of your workflows and make sure that you put in that extra effort of tailoring resume for every single job description. All right, I hope you found this useful. Do let me know in the comment section what other workflows you would want me to automate. And yep, that's it. Use this workflow to apply with a tailored resume next time. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. All the very best.